I got cheers, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control, 'cause the power you're supplying, it's electrifying. You better shape up, 'cause I need a man, and my heart is set on you. You better shape up, you better understand. To my heart I must be true, nothing left for me to do. You're the one and the one, ooh, 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 honey, the one and the one, ooh, 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 honey, the one and the one, ooh, 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 the one and me. Oh yes indeed. Ooh. Hey guys, today we're celebrating the life of Olivia Newton-John by doing the song from Grease, You're the One That I Want. I'll show you how I'm doing it with a low G in the C minor key, which is 3/2 step higher than the original, but that way we can add the little bass, which I think sounds super cool. So this is what we are doing today. Grab your low G ukulele and let's jump right into it. Okay, let's start with the intro pick that I'm doing, trying to imitate the bass here. So I'm grabbing C minor like this, and also with the ring finger up here. Okay? And what I'm doing is G string, then plucking the other 3 strings, then open G string, again the other 3 strings, again 5th fret, and here on the 3rd fret of the G string, then pull down and then hammer on the 3rd fret, okay? That's pretty cool thing. You can do it in between the verses, and actually if it's not messing up your timing, you can also do it everywhere you see the C minor chord. I got chills. And then we go to the verse, which starts with 2 times C minor and then to A flat to E flat. I'm grabbing the E flat, just here the upper 3 strings, okay? And after that we have G7, back to C minor. But let me show you the strumming I'm doing, because it have very specific accents which we're using after that in the song, and it kind of makes it sound a little bit more like the original. All right, let's build it up. Let's do it first with muted strum. So on the first time we're just plucking the G string, then leaving one end, and then from 2 we're just doing down up 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 down up. So okay, and now we'll try to accent on these times right here, okay? Just a little bit more. So the other strums are quieter, but these 3 should be louder. So okay, now let's try to sound these 3 strums and the first one, which is basically the bass. Just on C minor. Alright, let's see how this goes. I got cheers, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control, 'cause the power you're supplying, it's electrifying. You better shape up. Okay, here we go to the pre-chorus, which starts with E flat, then to B flat, 'cause I need a man, to C minor, and my heart is set on you. to A flat. We're repeating these 2 times. You better shape up, you better understand. To my heart I must be true. But here, on the second time, we're doing 1 more bar of A flat, and also with the pinky here I'm doing little detail. Okay, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3 on the A string. You better shape up, cause I need a man, and my heart is set on you. You better shape up, you better understand. To my heart I must be true. Nothing left for me to do. And here we go to the chorus, which starts with E flat, you're the one that I want. I'm doing something like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, muted, and after that I'm doing this, which is basically on the 3rd fret of the G string 4 times, and then on the 5th fret, 3rd fret of the C string, and then 1 muted down, and we're changing E flat to B flat to A flat, this new shape of A flat like this. And we're changing these 3 chords on exactly the same places where the accents were on the previous strumming pattern, alright? So, you're the one that I want. Ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. Ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. Ooh, 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 the one I need. And here we move the same shape of A flat. We're moving it 2 frets up to make it B flat. Alright, these are the start chords that we're using. Oh, I need. Oh, yes, indeed. On the 2nd bar, maybe even you can put the pinky right here if you can catch it. If not, just mute the A string. Same goes, by the way, for the previous chord. I'm muting here, just leaving the soft part of the pinky to touch the string. Okay? You're the one that I want. Ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. Ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. Ooh, 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 the one I need. Oh, yes, indeed. Ooh, ooh. Get it back. And then we have another verse, another pre-chorus, and then on the last chorus we're basically just repeating the chorus a few times, like this. You're the one that I want. Ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. Ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. Ooh, 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 the one I need. Oh, yes, indeed. Ooh, you're the one that I want. Ooh, 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 honey, the one that I want. The one that I want. Ooh, 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 the one I need. Oh, yes, indeed. Ooh. And although the song is in C minor, I think it sounds better to end it on E flat. And I think this sums up my tutorial for You're the One That I Want. I think it sounds pretty cool on the low G. And I hope you enjoyed learning with me. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.